Good morning students, myself Kiran Yadav. I am your English teacher of class 3rd. This is your textbook Marigold. So children, open page number 77. So today we are going to do the next poem from unit number 8 and the chapter number 15. What's in the mail box? Have you ever received a letter? If you haven't, see what the child decides to do. So children, first of all tell me, do you know what is a mailbox? Yes, the mailbox is kind of box which is found near your door, where the postman comes and keeps your letters, postcards, your parcel in it. Okay, that's called mailbox. So children, in this poem a child is there. Okay, a child is there and he or she is telling us that what is there in his mailbox. Okay, so let's start the poem, children. Most always when the postman comes with letters, 2 or 3, they are for my mother or my dad, but never one for me. I am going to write some letters though, that's what I am going to do. And then my friend will answer me and I will get letters too. So in the first stanza, most always when the postman comes with letters, 2 or 3, they are for my mother or my dad, but never one for me. So in this the child is telling us that whenever postman comes to his house, जब भी postman उसके घर आता है, he brings some letter or 2 or 3 letters, but those letters are for his mom or his dad, but never one for the child. यहाँ पे चाइल्ड बोलता है कि जो पोस्टमैन आता है तो कुछ लेटर्स लेके आता है, लेकिन वो लेटर्स किसके लिए होते हैं? मॉम और डैड के लिए. उन लेटर में मेरे लिए कोई लेटर नहीं होता है. आई एम गोइंग टू राइट सम लेटर्स दो, दैट्स व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू. And then my friends will answer me and I will get letters too. So here the child is saying that whenever postman comes, he always brings some letters, mom or his dad, but never comes with letters for the child. Okay, so now what the child is going to do? The child says that he will write some letters to his friends. Now he is अब वो अपने फ्रेंड्स को लेटर लिखना चाहता है. What's I'm going to do? What's he going to do? Now letters to his friends. Then when his friends will write some letters to him, जब वो अपने फ्रेंड्स को लेटर लिखेगा तो उन्हें कुछ ना कुछ तो रिप्लाई अपने फ्रेंड्स के साइड से मिलेगा. Yes, then his friends also write some letters for him. And then he can also get some letters. So this is what the child wants to do, because he also wants to have some letters, and for child he will write, for this he will write some letters for his friends, and then what he will get also some letters from his friends. So that's all he wants to do. ओके, इस पोम में मेल बॉक्स के बारे में एक बच्चा बोलता है कि जब भी पोस्टमैन आता है तो वो हमेशा मेरे मॉम और डैड के लिए ही पार्सल लेके आता है, मेरे लिए कभी नहीं लेके आता है. तो मैं क्या करूँगा कि मैं भी अपने दोस्तों को लेटर लिखूँगा ताकि मुझे भी वो लेटर आए. तो जब वो अपने दोस्तों को लेटर लिखेगा तो दोस्त उसको रिप्लाई देंगे, फ्रेंड उसको रिप्लाई में लेटर भेजेंगे, तो तब उसको लेटर रिसीव होगा. सो दैट्स ऑल ही वॉन्ट्स टू डू. Okay, now children, I will tell you something that India इंडिया हैज़ द लार्जेस्ट पोस्टल नेटवर्क इन द वर्ल्ड। जो इंडिया है वो सबसे बड़ा पोस्टल नेटवर्क है पूरे संसार का। सबसे बड़ा पोस्टल नेटवर्क को कौन है, क्या है, इंडिया। ओके, रिमेंबर दिस। नाउ कम टू न्यू वर्ड्स। लेटर्स, LETTERS, letters. Letters are printed communication. Always, ALWAYS, always. Always means you can say all time, हमेशा, at all time. Never, NEVER, never is the opposite of always. Never means at no time. Though, THOUGH, though means but. Okay, so that's all we have in this poem. In our next video we will do question answers. Okay, thank you, have a good day.